Eh, yung ano niya, oh. Yung
Ay,
backbone,
oo.
ay, yung rib niya.
Oo.
Can I see the face?
Yung parang si Lindoy.
Ay, malamang, tatay yun eh.
Let's see, leg.
That's good.
Can you see the foot?
Ayan, oo, yung
Ah.
foot. Wow.
Hand.
Yes.
Ano ba yun? Ano nangyari?
It's moving a lot, so.
Ang tangos ng ilong, ah.
Ito na ba na?
Alingin?
The heart.
Anong position niya?
How is the position ito?
Keeps changing now.
Okay.
Ah, hindi pa nakaret.
O, kasi
Bagay pa.
iikot man yan, eh. Yung buto, oh.
How can you show the face?
No, I think it's difficult. I'll show you the pictures which
Okay.
I've saved. Okay, and let's see if it is. Yeah, okay, let's see now.
Likot niya.
Ala. La. Ang kulit. Ayan, oh.
Eyes.
Oo, ayan, oh.
Mata mo, Ara!
Ay, tinan mo yung ilong
Mata
tsaka
mo!
bibig.
Ha?
Yung ilong tsaka bibig.
Asan na?
Ay, nagtago.
Nakita ka. Ayun.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Yun.
Just keep seeing. It's moving a lot.
Ayun,
The
ayun,
eyes, the
I have
Nakamulat?
lips.
lips, the nose. Can you see the lips now?
Yeah.
Nakamulat.
And you can. There's a hand.
Kaso, tinatakpan niya yung mukha niya, eh. Yeah. Ang galing, no? Ayun. Ayun. Nag-ano ng mukha,
Ganun
eh.
ng puso. Ay, ang galing. Ganun pa rin.
Nag-ano siya ng ano, eh, ng mukha,
What is
eh.
puso?
Puso
Heart. Ayun, oh, yung heart niya, oh,
This is nose. Can you see the nostrils?
Yeah.
The lips, heart,
Yeah.
hands. Okay.
Yeah.
The gender joke. Oh, don't say it.
It's surprise. Ito yung mukha, ah. Ano?